I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Bid Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bid Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bid Assist logo and click on Bid Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now here search and select Email Octopus. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API key, click on Email Octopus API key. Click on Create Key. Give the meaningful key name as you want. Then click Create. Now copy the API key and paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the lists. Now map the field. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Click Next. Now save the integration. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now navigate to Email Octopus page. Now select the lists. Here is the data that came into Email Octopus through the integration. Thanks for watching.